my box of tricks. You want to know what's in there? Do you dare? Do you care? Stay tuned. Specific place haul in so long, and I loved everything at Winners. I don't know what it was. I don't know what the frick is happening in the air. I just loved everything. I was like, I want everything. I also posted a TikTok of some things that I bought. Well, I haven't done it yet, but when I've posted this video, it will have already been up. And I can already like foretell, because I know we're living in a simulation, so if I think about it, it will come true, because my simulation character who's controlling me literally just told me that the comments are probably gonna be like, do a haul. Or let's see what you bought, because it's like a quick like 10-second TikTok. So I'm a fortune teller now. I bought so much stuff. I vlogged going there as well, so if you guys want to hit up the vlog channel, link is below. And I got some really cute things. A lot of it is pink. Also, I had to buy this reusable shopping bag. It was 69 cents. Ooh, I was like, hey girl, what are you trying to say? She was trying to hit on me. So anymore, you guys love hauls, so I love giving you guys hauls. And this is not a clothing haul. Care Bear down. Care Bear went flailing like what? He's trying to get away from this guy. Do you remember this guy? I literally got my video taken down on TikTok for that. Thanks TikTok. I can't unbox a pillow. Okay, I cannot wait to show you guys the things I got. I spent under $200, which I think is really good, because I got a lot of different things. I was literally grabbing so many things. I was like, I like this, I like this, I like this. It was like a retail therapy moment. I went with Austin. He got a few things as well. He got like practical things. I got, well, he did get some jewelry. I was just getting everything that looked cute. So if you guys want to see a cute little haul, then stay tuned, besties. I'm out of breath holding that bag. Okay, this, not gonna lie, I bought because of the TikTok I was doing, because I was buying so many pink things. I was like, I think I need just one more like cheap pink thing. And then I saw this and I was like, beautiful. Like, but I also love cotton candy. I love cotton candy. It's like one of my guilty pleasures. And it's just so pretty pastel. Like, cotton candy always gets me. It's so pretty and magical. It just takes me, I was gonna say takes me back to childhood, but I always asked for cotton candy as a child, like at like, you know, like the fair, the X, like, I was gonna say the circus, but I don't think I've ever been to a circus. Well, in my head, it's always like, we're there every day, bestie. My mom always said no to me. Like, if you're watching this, mother, that's rude. Like, you should have given your kid cotton candy. You know, maybe I would have turned out normal. Just kidding. She's like, you've had enough sugar today. That's probably why she never got cotton candy for me, because I was like, Kraft dinner, McDonald's. So, I want to try it. Look, the brand is Gotta Be Sweet by Amy B. Cotton Candy Birthday. Love that. Look at that. So cute. I love cotton candy so much. Just melts. Oh, ooh, tastes like gourmet. This was $5.99, so I'm gonna tell you guys prices of everything. Somebody said to me, they're like, you're the only one that does hauls on YouTube anymore. I'm like, huh. At least I'm doing something on YouTube. Literally, so good.
I love cotton candy.
I like the resealable case too. You could, oh my god, I should fill this with scrunchies when I'm done using it. I'll probably never remember. It'll probably be in the recycling bin. I was gonna say trash can, but I wouldn't. Anyway, I got this really cute bag. I saw this on the clearance rack. When we first walked in, there was a clearance rack, and I was like, that's like what started this pink journey. I was like, I need that bag. It's a little bit scratched up, banged up, and like these have a little bit of scratches on them, but honestly I was so attracted to this bag. It's like that PVC, like it looks like a Barbie doll's dress. It feels like a Barbie doll's plastic dress. It is by Perfect Pink. Oh my god, good. I was like, did she remove a security tag? It says originally at the store. So if you don't know what Winners is, it's like a Marshall's, TJ Maxx, something like that, like where brands go, like the graveyard of brands. It's by Like Dreams, by the way, if anyone was wondering. Yeah, it looks like it's been used, girl. Like it's like, oh well. Honestly, it's cute. I bet somebody used this for a night out and returned it. No, there's no way. Actually, you could have tied this back on. Just kidding. Austin's like, your phone could fit in there. I'm like, girl, my phone is probably way too big to fit in there. Like, holy shit. when you always doubt your boyfriend. Oh my god, stop. I love this bag. Oh my god, that's not why I got it, but that's so cool. I really like it. And it was on sale. I was like, hello. So the original price, like this brand, was $55. Winners was selling it for $29.99, and it was on sale for $24. I feel like that is cheap. Like, that's cheaper than like Walmart. It's cheaper than a lot of places now. Like, you can't get like a cute little bag for $24. So we loved this. This is cute. It's so plastic and pink. I love it. I'm in a good mood today. Hope you guys are too. The next thing I got, okay, I saw this. I was like, I've never heard of this. This is a bath tea. It drew me right to it, like the aesthetic of it. So it's chamomile lavender, $12.99 for this. Calm and Soothe Radiant Skin Co. is the brand. And yeah, it's bath tea. Step in relaxation. Literally, I am gonna be the tea mug or the coffee mug or the teacup, and literally this is gonna go inside of me, and then I'm gonna fill myself with water and just lay and soak and be a tea bag. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh my god, it smells so good. Literally, like, do I use these? Wait, am I supposed to use these tea bags? Oh my god, I don't know what's happening. Oh my god, I'm kind of stressing out about it. Is that a tea bag even? Is there a directions? Steep 1 tea bag into your bath water and enjoy the aroma. Okay, oh my god, I feel so stupid. I said to Austin, we need a strain. Oh my god, I said to him that I needed a strainer if I was gonna get this. I was like, we'll put like some like cheesecloth down over the drain, or like one of those drain catchers when I'm done using this. Why wouldn't I just put it in a frickin' tea bag? Anyways, that's gonna be kind of weird, like steeping, like making a tea in my bath, but I thought it was really a cool idea. Make my life not dull. Just kidding, my life isn't dull. $12.99 for this. Whoa, just different, and I needed it for the aesthetic. And I want to be soaked in tea. Who wouldn't want to be soaked in tea? Okay, I needed this little guy. I suck at home decorating. We all know that. There's no secret there. I suck. But you know what? I've got a lot of responses from you guys. I'm having a surgery upcoming, so I'm kind of focused on that right now rather than, you know, painting and decorating. But when I am healed, I'm going to start. I know I always say I'm going to start, but literally there has been things behind the scenes. I've been doing a series behind the scenes that took way longer than expected. It took a lot of my energy, and then now I'm preparing for surgery. So once that's all done, girl, I'm gonna paint this freaking room and make it a princess room, literally. But in the meantime, I wanted this sloth. So it's just gonna go somewhere downstairs. I hope, I just needed it. This sloth was so cute. $16.99 for this sloth. Just hanging out, the vibes were so cozy and cute. I know, I've been liking the look of plants lately. I know it sounds so stupid. I sound like an idiot when I say that. Like, just like the way I say it sounds like an idiot, not the plants thing. It's just the way I say it sounds like I just like discovered plants and like a vibe of plants. That's not what I mean. But I've never been interested in plants, and I feel like I find myself like in a midlife crisis being like, I need plants or something, you know, like cutting my hair like a Karen, and like I feel like everyone that has plants is like hot. Their house is like so homey and like decorated amazingly, and they have the best vibes, and they're just immaculate, and I want to be that. So this, I know this isn't a plant, but this could be the start of me being a hot plant owner, you know? The sloth could be like, hey, decorate your home. So I'm gonna find a place to hang him, and he's gonna hang out at my house. Wanna hang out? Then I got this little piglet. I just took away my piglet nails, but I literally had piglet nails right here, as you can see. And this is a piglet clarifying sheet mask with rose water and strawberry. $7.99 for this. I want to see if there's two. If there's one rose water and one strawberry. Oh, they're rose water and strawberry. It must be. There's 3 of them in here. So I'll probably put it on my story or in a vlog or something, but I can't wait to use this. Usually these look a little scary, so could be on a TikTok, but I'll show you guys somewhere. If you follow me on my social medias, you will see this, but this is so pretty and pink, and I do like this brand, the creme. Okay, then I know, boring socks. True Religion socks, like this many for $10, I feel like it's such a good deal. And I have so many mismatched pairs of socks that I just, you know, you just need like a refresh, and that's just what I needed. And these are shorties. I love that. I like the colors of them too. They'll be good for like going out clubbing, because I always like tuck my socks I suck socks like over. These ones are short, so they're like ankle socks, I think that's what they're called, right? Low cut socks. And True Religion's a good brand. I really like their brand. I have shirts from them for like 10 years. They hold up, and there's like, wow, 10 pairs in here? 10 pairs for like $1 a pair. That is a really good deal in my opinion, and it says compare $14, so it's not that big of a discount, but yeah, we all need socks. Okay, boring. I know. Let's get to the goods. My bestie did my makeup. We went to Calgary Pride, and he did my makeup, and I was like, what is that bronzer? I need it. Like, I need that bronzer. And he told me it was Marc Jacobs. I told this story on my vlog channel. But basically, Marc Jacobs Beauty is discontinued. I didn't know that. What? I didn't even open this to make sure it was okay. It was in like a big locked case, like with a security thing on it. I didn't get to check it. So the one that he had was Tantric. This is literally the exact one. I hope it's not cracked. I'm so worried right now. Please don't be cracked. Oh, okay, girl. Oh, okay, yes. It's like a shade lighter than the Tantric one, but yes, a bronzer. I want to be able to like bronze with a big fluffy brush, and I watched him do it on me 2 days in a row, and I think I could try, at least try to mimic it. Hello, Sushi Man. Oh, Mr. Peen is down too. I found it, so I'm very excited. So I'm gonna start bronzing my face up. So I got Tantastic. That's the one I got. It's the O Mega Bronze. O, like, exclamation point Mega Bronze. It says compare $35 and it was only $24.99. I feel like that's so cheap. So cheap because bronzers can be like, I thought I was gonna be spending like $60 on this, like a Marc Jacobs bronzer this big, but $24. Hello. I got some cat treats. A, because they were pink, and B, because I liked that they support healthy cognitive development for cats. Made with real chicken, kitten health, get naked. I also like that because my cats are naked. I have hairless cats. Something to support their brain health I think is cute. $4.99, good price. And they love soft treats. And I always like to treat my cats. Buy something for me, buy something for the kitties. It says the calories. Well, I guess there are fat kitties out there. Oh, I would be one. Ah. I have been loving like the scrunchy hair look. If you guys have been following me, I'm really like vibing with that, where I like get out of the shower, scrunch my hair, and then put it into like a two messy buns, and then I take it out and my hair is like wavy curly. Some of you guys really don't like it, some of you guys really like it, and it gives it like a wet look. And then I saw this and it was pink as well. And it's by Umberto Giannini. Giannini. My brain's like, scrunching jelly for scrunch drying all types of curls. Tames, frizz, adds shines, and defines. So I don't have like natural curls. I have like natural like slight wave to my hair. Nobody wants to stay near me today, girl. Ooh, it smells yummy. So I thought, hey, why not use a scrunching gel that's like meant for scrunching your hair? It drew me right to it. So we will see. Curl jelly. We'll see like if it does anything, I will let you know. But yeah, cool.
Okay guys, so I just wanted to pause and just say that I may have misunderstood the use of this product. I don't want to disrespect anyone that has waves or curls, or pretending that I have waves or curls. I do not. I have very, very, very slight waves, but I don't think this product is going to work for my hair. My hair is basically straight. I thought it was like gonna give like straight hair, like if you scrunched it, it would give you like curls and make it wavy, or make it easier for the waves that I try to achieve when I scrunch my hair. But it literally says it's perfect for wavy, curly, and coily hair textures. That's not mine. It looks amazing. I'm glad I looked it up. I'm gonna try it out. If it doesn't work for me, I will donate it, or I have a friend who has very curly hair, so I will give it to her and see how it works for her. But it will go to use nonetheless. But I am just gonna try it out and see. But I don't want to give the wrong impression to anyone or pretend that I have curls, because I don't have curls. I just should have read it more thoroughly instead of just grabbing and thinking something. But we're carrying on. I always need a new charging cable for my iPhone, and this one was pink and glittery. Let me take it out of the package. When I need a new one, it's here. Just because I was like, oh my god, I've never seen a pink glitter one before. Oh my gosh. And it's a 10-feet cord. I miss my 10-foot one. You know, you go back to a little short one and you miss the 10-foot one, girl. Trust me. And this was $20. I didn't get any clothes, so sorry to disappoint. I don't usually like clothes at Winners. It's seldom I like something. But I did get a Morphe concealer to try it because it was only $5.99. I feel like that's really cheap. I don't know if this is going to be good. It was C3.15 Soft Matte. I have no idea if that's gonna be good. I should have looked at it in the store. Oh, it looks like it'll be good. Yes. Okay.
I want to try it out and see how it goes. It is the Fluidity Full Coverage Concealer. It looks like it's a nice size, and for like under $10, I don't know why I was getting such good deals, girl. Ooh, smells like concealer. Smells like delicious. I don't know why I like the smell of concealer so much. And then Miss Jaclyn Hill was at Winners. I am not shading. My palette flopped, okay, so I'm not shading her, but she can actually sell makeup. I was like shocked because I have used Jaclyn Hill products before, or Jaclyn Cosmetics products, and I wanted to try both of these, so I gave them a shot. This one was $12.99, and it is a Luminous Rouge Blush. It's a blush. It was really hard for me to figure out what the frick this was. I was like, what is this? It's like, she was like speaking in like all these terms. Like she couldn't just say it's a blush. Like it's a loose blush. It's like, experience a subtle luminous veil of color with this radiant loose powder blush. I'm like, it's like I had to like get a degree and like figure out what my thesis was before I figured out what this product was. I was like, oh my god, I like went on an adventure to find out this was a loose powder. Just be like, it's a powder blush. So anyways, I wanted to open all these products, but there was a girl like literally at the makeup sorting it out, and I didn't want to be that bitch, you know, that's like opening shit, and like I just didn't want to be, so I just got it. I was like, I'm just gonna get it. Ooh, this is cute. We love the fingerprints all over it. Me taking this into forensics. Oh, this is beautiful. And this one I got is in Love Poem. Love Poem. This is so pretty. What the hell? Oh my god, why is this so pretty? Like, okay, for $12.99? So it's this color. I'm not going to open it right now. I did need a new blush. I wanted a new blush, and this is such a beautiful color. So why not give it a shot? And it's so gorgeous. And then the very last thing from Winners and in this haul is another Jaclyn Cosmetics, and this was $7.99. Like, so cheap. This was a, oh my god, again, I was like, I'm pretty sure this is a lip thump something. Can't you just tell me it's a lip shit? They're like, get rich, creamy lip color in blushing hues with an ultra lightweight blurring finish. I'm like, okay, so is it a gloss? Is it a liquid lip? Is it a pencil? Is it lipstick? Like, bitch, just tell me what it is. Last First Kiss. And I think she's all the way messed up on this. I'm sorry. I like Jaclyn Hill. Like, and I like her makeup. I've tried her makeup before, and I actually really like it. I don't know why. I'm just in a silly, goofy mood, you know? I'm quirky. What can I say? So I took it as it was a liquid lip. Like, I don't know. I was like, I'm just gonna freaking get it because it was under $10. This is literally cheaper than drugstore at this point. Really pretty packaging. Oh my god. Honestly, this is one of the prettiest packaging I've seen in a while. Like, this is gorgeous. Like, her aesthetic, though, is like banging. I have no idea what we're gonna experience here. I didn't know if I was just gonna open it was just gonna be a lip. Ooh, it's a liquid lip. Let's give it a swatch. Ooh, pretty Barbie pink, girl. Look at that. It's like a dusty rose color. Beautiful. It looks like it's drying quite quickly too. It's so like sleek too. It feels like smooth. Like this is like plasticky or whatever, glass. I don't know what the frick this is. This is why I didn't sell anything. I suck at makeup. It just feels like velvety or something. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Might see this little guy hanging around the house. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Yay hauls! Bye guys!